In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable group items in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot Switch Control. When I see Switch Control, I tap on it, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the Switch Control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving slowly until I find the setting labelled Group Items. Once I see it, I can control it right from here. At this point, I tap the toggle to turn Group Items on if I want it enabled, or tap it again to turn it off if I don't. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed set the way I want. Now I'm backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. And that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Switch Control, scroll down, and toggle Group Items on or off again. If I leave it enabled, I'll usually navigate around for a second just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to return here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different, and that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to enable or disable group items on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to come back and adjust whenever you need.